The Neolithical Art Museum, Cucuteni, Piatra Neamț. Founded in 2005, the Neolithical Art Museum, Cucuteni, Piatra Neamț, is located in the building built by Carol Zani between 1928 and 1930 and decorated by the sculptor Vincenzo Puschiasis. The vestiges discovered in over 150 archaeological sites during more than 6 decades form the heritage of this remarkable museum. The Cucuteni culture represents the most important civilization of old Europe and the last painting ceramic culture in Europe. The exhibition of the museum includes approximately 300 pieces displayed on 2 floors and 3 rooms and contains the ceramics painted in 3 colors, figurative art objects, anthropomorphic and zoomorphic decorative art objects applied to vessels, all being representative for all stages in development of this culture. The safe deposit also contains about 800 pieces belonging to all phases and evolution stages of the cultural complex pre-Cucuteni, Cucuteni, Tripoli. Due to the activity of the specialists, the museum has an important contribution to the knowledge of the Cucuteni culture. Among the most valuable artifacts of Piatra Neamț Museum is the Thesaurus of Brad that contains about 500 pieces. The area of the artifacts was generally discovered in the Neamț County, but there are exceptions too. The reference archaeological sites in the Cucuteni area are Izvoare, Traian, Bodești, Târpești, Gheleiești, Neamț County, Brad, Poduri, Târgu Ocna, Mărgineni, Bacău County, Isaia, Târgu Frumos, Scânteia, Iași County, Trușești, Botoșani County, Dumești, Vaslui County, Mihoveni, Drăgușeni, Suceava County, Sipenit, Lipcani, Ucraina. There are also many researches conducted by widely known specialists such as Constantin Mătasa, Radu Vulpe, Hortensia and Vladimir Dumitrescu, Mircea Petrescu Dâmbovița, Silvia Marinescu Bâlcu, Anton Nițu, Ștefan Cucoș, Dan Monah. In the Neolithic Cucuteni Art Museum operates the International Center for Research of Cucuteni Culture, which attracted many passionate Cucuteni culture people. The artifacts of the Cucuteni Neolithic Art Museum and other exhibits from different Romanian museums have been requested for international exhibitions since 1997. On 1997, when Thessaloniki was selected to be a European cultural capital, the metropolis organized the first and the largest exhibition dedicated to the Cucuteni civilization.